In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your Instagram feed using Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to organize your designs, map out your feed, and schedule posts with captions and hashtags all inside Canva. Start by opening Canva and heading straight to the Projects section. This is your hub for everything you've created, from drafts to finished pieces. Take a moment to scan your past designs so you know what you already have and what still needs polishing. Seeing everything in one place makes it easier to plan a cohesive feed and spot any gaps in your content. Next, create folders to keep things neat and easy to find. Set up simple categories like Instagram posts, stories, and reels. Clear and consistent folder names make a big difference when you're working quickly. Move your designs into the appropriate folder so you're not hunting around later. Keeping related items together also helps you maintain a consistent look across formats. Once your designs are ready, organize them chronologically. Think about the order you want them to appear on your profile grid and the sequence that tells the best story over time. Inside your folders, arrange them from the earliest planned post to the latest. This saves time later and helps you visualize how your grid will flow. If you're working with series or themes, grouping them in sequence keeps everything aligned with your content plan. Now, access the Content Planner. From the Canva home screen, go to Apps, then select Content Planner. This calendar view is where your plan becomes a schedule. It gives you a clear picture of what's going out and when, which is perfect for staying consistent and avoiding last-minute rushes. If you have Canva Pro, you can schedule posts directly. Pick a date on the calendar, click the plus button, and choose your design. You'll be prompted to connect your Instagram business account so Canva can publish for you. Once connected, you can set your exact posting time and confirm. This is great for batch scheduling and keeping your feed active without daily manual posting. Before you finalize, write your caption right in the Canva scheduler. Keep it clear, on brand, and engaging, and add up to 20 relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Aim for hashtags that reflect your niche, content theme, and audience interests. Writing captions here ensures everything is ready in one place and aligns with your visual plan. And that's it, your Instagram feed is organized, planned, and ready to go using Canva. Thanks for watching.